like this one.
It's so smooth and so perfectly blended deepfake video. And what if I tell you that you can do the same after watching this video? So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Himanshu and you are watching Get Assist. But before starting with this video, I have a serious concern for you. Guys, AI deepfake video seems cool and fun, but you should not hinder someone's privacies and concerns. Use these tools responsibly cause misusing them can lead you to serious troubles. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Guys, in today's video, the website we are using to generate our deepfake video is Cool. This website can deepfake photos as well as videos and even multiple faces too. To make your own deepfake video, just go to the website, click on login and sign up using your Google account. Then after logging in, you will be seeing you have 50 credits and then the cost also written there, which is 4 credits per image and 10 credits for a 10-second video. So we'll be deepfaking a video first. To start with the procedure, click on choose file. From there, import the video you want to swap the faces. Then choose the face you want to use from here. You can see it's recognizing the face. Afterwards, click on the face next to the video, like this. Then enable the face enhance to better the quality. And now click here. A notification popped up to go to the library. So go to the library and there you can find your video is processing. After the processing is done, your output is ready there. Just click on that and you can download it from here. Let's see how the outcome looks like. Hi guys, this is the output of this video. I'm sure you all gonna love it. Even I believe I look like Tom Cruise. What's your say? Let's move on. This time we are swapping a picture space. So first choose the file and import the file you want to morph the faces of. I am choosing this Captain America's Infinity War picture. Then tap on the plus icon and add the face you want to add. And then again enable face enhance. Then tap on this again and the output is waiting for you in your library. So guys, this was the tutorial of deepfaking videos, and this website is safe as well as pretty much free because you will be getting some credits for demo work and then you have to pay for the subscription, but you can do it like 5 or 6 times. So it's quite convenient and very much fun. Then what you are waiting for? Start brainstorming and explore your creativity and make yours one. That's all for this video guys. If you like this video informative and useful, then give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, keep watching Get Assist.